Thokozani, guys. This is Gogo Skhotheni-Ubalulekile. Ngaphambi kokuthi kulalwe bengifuna ukukutshela ukuthi ubalulekile. No matter what people say about you, no matter what happens empilweni yakho, just know that ubalulekile. You are important. You are born for a reason. And fulfill that. Find your purpose. Ubalulekile. Ngibheke ukuthi ngithini. Lalela. Ubalulekile. You don't have to listen to people who judge you, to people who tell you how useless you are, how selfish you are. Umubi kangakanani, hey nye uphumelele, bheka la. Ubalulekile. So therefore, because ubalulekile, sikhombise ukubaluleka kwakho. Sikhombise. There's no way ungathi wena uphila impilo yakho you don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani isakhile yakho. No, you are important. So make sure ukuthi we feel your presence. Make sure, baby. Make sure ukuthi masithi uyayitshela, it must be for a good reason. Yes, you must feel yourself, feel your presence. But ungadeleli. Respect umuntu. Whether umdala nakuwe, whether umncane, respect. 3 things that you need in life: respect, forgiveness, and understanding. And how do you understand? You understand that singabantu asifani, then you move forward. But into engifuna ukukutshela yona, khohlwa okuningi, ubalulekile. Amen.